Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Forte LXS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock, and dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.